in this question is question 5b, and this is the differentiation question that came up in 2017, and it says find the coordinates of the local max and local minimum points of f of x. So if I want to get local max and local min to get maximum / minimum points, I have to find the derivative, find dy dx, and then I have to let dy dx equal 0. So I'm going to have to derive this. So I'm going to derive it. So firstly, we bring the base number here by the power, which is 2 by 6, and reduce the power by 1, which is x squared, and then 5 by 2, which is 10, reduce the power by 1, which is x, and then minus 4. So that's my derivative. I'm going to have to let that equal 0. So 6x squared plus 10x minus 4 equals 0. And I can divide across by 2. So it'll be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. And now I'm going to have to factorize this. So the simplest way I think is use the guide number method. So multiply the number in constant, the number attached to the x squared by the number at the end with no x. And you get a guide number is minus 6. Then we're looking for the factors of minus 6 that add to give 5x. So I'm thinking plus 6x minus x. And then I'm going to bring down my 3x squared and my minus 2. So now I'm going to factorize, take a highest common factor here of the first two. So 3x, x plus 2. And then I'll take out minus 1, x plus 2 equals 0. So 3x minus 1. X plus 2 equals 0. So 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 3. X plus 2 equals 0. X is equal to minus 2. And now what we have to do is, we don't know which of these is the max and which of these is the min. So I'm going to plug in x equals a third back into my original. So it's going to be 2 by a third cubed plus 5 by a third squared minus 4 by a third, take 3. I'm plugging the third back in, and I'll get a value when I plug that in of minus 100 over 27. So it's a negative number. So if I plug in x is equal to minus 2 back into my original, I shall get a value of, let's do it out, and I'll get a value of 9. So you can see that this point here lies below the origin and this lies above the origin. So 9 is going to be our maximum and this point here is going to be our minimum. So our maximum, we're going to have the x coordinates that give 9. So our max will be equal to minus 2, 9. And our minimum will be equal to 1 over 3 minus 100 over 27. And that is our question. Thank you.